Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing, guys? Today we are back with Oraimo speaker. So I want us to do unboxing for this Oraimo speaker. It's called a SpaceBox Pro. If you see something like Pro, means it has been upgraded to new tech. So let's proceed. We'll do a quick unboxing, but before that, I've already done a review of this speaker, so just watch until the end. You'll see everything about it. Then this is the design of the box. You can see the box is designed with everything. You can, if you don't know much about it, you can see it's equipped with Bluetooth, memory card, aux pin, then also with mic, because it was designed for karaoke. If you're someone interested in having your birthday at home, then you can proceed with that. Then it has built-in mic, meaning when you receive calls via this speaker, you can speak via the speaker. Then it has USB drive-in. I will show you all that. Let's proceed and we do unboxing. So it comes with this series here, also this side series. Then from here, so far the boxing of Oraimo products is not bad compared to some of other designs made for Africa. So we have here, so guys, it comes with this well designed belt, or how can we call it? Yeah, you see it's expandable. You can expand it via this, you can expand it like this. See, it's how you can extend it, but it's good, designed with Oraimo design. Yeah, then inside we have the speaker. Let us remove the speaker, then we proceed. Then here we have welcome guide. Then also we have the USB. Then from here we have what we call the speaker itself, guys. Wow, the design is good. It has this then it has this control buttons. Then this side it has the bass, also this side it has the bass. Yep, so this is what we find in the box, the speaker. Then we have this welcome guide. Also we have this cable. Let's check which type is it. Yeah, so this is the USB. It is type C, guys, because you can see it's type C. Then we have this belt. That's what is found in the box. So let's proceed with the speaker. Let me show you how to connect this here, but this is very simple. It's a matter of fixing it like this. So then, guys, let's proceed and we switch it on. We see the karaoke lights that I was talking about. This is where it is switched on. Power on. See, guys, that is the karaoke sound that I was talking about. So now let me give you a quick guide to this speaker. If you are someone interested in using this speaker, let's proceed. So this is the strap that it comes with. Then after the strap we have the power button from here. Then from here we have Bluetooth button. Then thirdly we have volume button for volume down. Then we have play or pause button. This is the volume up button, guys. Then after we have, this is a light button. You can switch off using this button if you don't want it. And then here on the last we have bass button. So you can hear control bass, you remove it, or you see the light has gone. Again, if you press on the button, the light will show that bass has been activated. Then here we also have the battery level indicator. If you press any button here, it will show you the battery level. They are four, you see, they are four LED lights. So the more they reduce, meaning the battery level is reducing. Then backside here, not forgetting this super good design from Oraimo, guys. As you can see, it's super dope. Then below here we have the friction rubbers. Once you press it down, when it is playing bass, it cannot slide and falls from the table. Then here we have another functions. This one is a talk microphone. When you're interested in karaoke, you can use this one as a talk microphone. Then next we have 60. This is a 60.5 lane in microphone port. This is the one. Yeah, then this one is a 3.5 millimeter aux in port, or 3.5 millimeter jack, but this one is for aux. As you can see, it is indicated there. Then this one we have TF or memory card port, where you can use your memory card from. As you know, like in GBL, this port is not provided. Then here we have USB or DC output. What do I mean? This is USB for like charging your phone, or they are showing you that it gives direct current, meaning it's a rated power for charging devices. It has inbuilt power bank, which is good for us. Then here we have type C for DC in or AC in, but not direct for this type C that I was talking about. They give us type C because they know all type C to C, they give fast charging for 2 hours for this speaker. That is when you use a 22.5 size of charger. That's when it can charge this one in 2 hours. You find it is already full, guys. Yeah, so if you're going to use it, make sure you use that type of the charger. Then here, this is the bass side. Also this side, it's the bass side. See, it's bass side. So far that is the design, guys. That is the design. Yeah, there is nothing more. So let us proceed and we see the quality of this speaker, the sound, the speaker output. So the speaker output, this one, it is 80 watts. I've done a review of like BMTL of 300 watts. So compared to it, this is super small. If you're interested in having such speaker, meaning it's not advisable to use it for outdoor, guys. Outdoor, it will give you sound, but the sound will not be high. You understand? So then again, not forgetting, I forgot to mention here, when you are charging your phone, the output, it has 10 watts. That means it doesn't qualify for super fast charging. Just that is a normal charging. Then another thing, the charging time for this, it takes 2 hours to charge. Then the play time can give you 20 hours on normal sound, on normal volume, guys. Then also the size of the power bank, it has only 5,000. Guys, 5,000 is small. I wonder why they can give such big speaker, such power bank, because at least I would consider such to have at least like 10,000 and above. 10,000, because this speaker, as you can see, guys, see, It is super big compared to most of charge 5 GBL. This one looks bigger, and it was given a lighting, karaoke light, meaning if you don't switch it off, you are likely to lose the charge before the time. You understand? Then the Bluetooth, it has the older version, which is 5.4. Now we have current, which is 6, but it is still on 5.4. It's also not bad, and it measures 328 times 152 times 138 millimeter. That is the size of the speaker. If you have tape measure, you can check out and see its sound. So guys, that is it about it. Let me do a quick review. You hear its sound, guys.